today we are going to be going over the way that you can post your blog post for your project-based learning assignment. So remember, you are going through and you are researching your Native American tribes. So in my Google Classroom, make sure that you're on it. You can see right here that you have all of the different tribes posted. Say that you decide to click on one. Make sure that you click on one and you can decide what information you would like to read about and write about on here. So, for example, if I want to talk about their dome-shaped houses made from grass stuffed into a wooden frame, I might talk about the process of building a house like that in my blog post, acting like a Native American tribe. So I'm going to come over here, and you're going to use your blog account that we've already set up in class. You see this dashboard over here to the left-hand side. You will see my class. Make sure that you are in our classroom, and then you can click right here on Posts. And then you will see these options: all posts, add new, categories, tags. So you're going to click add new. And once that page comes up, you will see a blank page just like this, where it says add title and then type to choose a block. So say that I want to add a title. I might say building the house, and then I don't know. You could decide to give it a date. That is up to you and how you would like to do your blog post. So then down here is where you can start to talk about however you want to describe the day in the life of your Native American tribe that you're researching. Now remember, you're posting multiple segments of this, and so you can just talk about one thing at a time, or just think about big things that would be happening during their time and kind of keep those together. So if I'm talking about this, remember back here we said that they lived in dome-shaped houses made from grass stuffed into a wooden frame. So you might start typing about how they had to rake the grass up. And so as you type, you might say, today we began putting the frames of our house together. Okay, now obviously you're going to say a lot more than that, but I'm going to kind of show you how you can edit this text. So if you come right here up to the title, you have this page. It looks like that little plus sign right there, and it gives you multiple options of things that you can do. You can also click this little pencil and then click edit, and then it gives you the opportunity to edit certain things with this. If we go down to the text, notice this little bar comes up. There are different things that you can do, such as locking the text in place, copying and pasting, duplicating. You can add a link. You can highlight, add an image. You can bold things, italicize things, anything that you decide to do to make your stuff creative. Now down here, there's different things such as text. Okay, you can add quotes, you can add tables. If you scroll down, there's a media section where you can add like photos or videos. And then in the design, this is where you can really get interesting. You can add columns or different buttons for people to group on. There's one thing that I do want to show you right here is the theme. This is where you can go and you can change a lot of things about like the way that this looks. So make sure that you explore kind of all of these. You can again add different things into there. And then of course once you are done creating this, you've added an image, you can continue like adding more things. If you click the plus, it gives you all the opportunities. So if you want to click image, you can search in the media library, all sorts of different options for that. If I want to remove it, you can come down here and click remove photo, and then once you're finished, you can click publish, or if you need to keep working on it, you can click save draft. But also, if you need to just see what it would look like on, say, a desktop, you can click preview and then preview in a new tab, and it will generate that for you. Now, once you publish, you'll click over here to publish. You can choose your visibility. You can choose when you want it published. You can add tags. So you might add like social studies or anything like that, just to get people to see it. You could even give it a category. You can add a new category, or you can leave it uncategorized. This is totally up to you and free for you to do. So make it creative, add different photos and details to it, and happy blogging.